Hello, world. Joe Matlin, American Roof Expert, coming to you from my office in Inglewood, Colorado, South Colorado, right off of 25. Um, so today we're going to talk about Spotio, which you already know because of the description, but we're going to go to Walter White's house, right? And if you don't know who that is, then I feel really bad for you. But let's switch it over. Okay, so this is Spotio, right? So about a month ago, I decided that I was gonna drive down to Santa Fe, and I went here. I want to show you this because it's so cool, right? So you're gonna be in your car, right? And you're just gonna go door to door to door. See how it says "Go for No"? That right there is Walter White's house. The thing about Walter White's house is if you look close, see down there, see how there's a fence that goes all the way around the whole house? There's so many people going to his house and knocking on the door and doing all sorts of stuff and throwing pizzas on the roof that the lady that owns it had to put she decided to put a fence around her house, right? So let's say we walk next door, we hit the button. It automatically fills in the address. So we put Joe Test, and then we put the phone number 999-999-9999. Put the email, hit this, and then put go for no. Let's just say save that, right? So now we got a new pin, okay? Now, this is what I did. I'm looking at the house, right? And then there's this giant mountain range. And then up here, there looked like power lines. I'd never been up here before. I've never seen it. I'm like sitting up there. I'm like, what is that? So I pinned that. And then I hit this. And then I hit that. And then I go there. And it automatically takes me. So outstanding. It was the most beautiful view. It was outstanding. And it was just something cool to do. But when you look back at Albuquerque and then you see all the mountain range and how it sort of goes around, it's so cool and so beautiful. But, all right, now let's do this. Let's go here. Let's keep going. So I'm still walking down the street. I hit this. Miss Test. Okay. Now I get her phone number. 555-555-5555. Insurance company is State Farm. Okay. Referred by Heisenberg. Right? However you spell that. Deductible amount is $500. Type of damage, wind. See, I made that. That was me, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit appointment. Now, they want to set the appointment for next week, Tuesday at 5 o'clock. So I'm going to hit Tuesday at 5 o'clock. Now, it's going to ask me if I want to go over there. So now I'm in Google Calendar, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite someone, whoever, right? I'm not going to do it because I don't want people to see other people's emails. But you just put that in and then you hit done, and then it's going to automatically send that person an invite, right? So I get all of my brother's invites. So I hit save. And then I'm good, right? Did you see that? That was outstanding, right? So now I can go back to Spotio. And then you see how I didn't put the status. So I'm going to put set appointment because it's at October 16th at 5 o'clock. So I'm going to hit save. So now I got that saved. Now I'm going to go to the next one. And then I'm going to say, Mr. See my dyslexia. Mr. White's cousin. Okay. Now I'm going to go back. And this guy yelled at me. So I'm never going to knock on his door again. Right. And then I hit the next one. And I'm going to go here. And I'm going to be like, okay. I talked to them. They already had their paperwork. So the paperwork from the insurance company, I did an estimate real fast. I won the bid. I sold it. Mrs. Jones. Miss Jones. Sold. See how nice that is? And if you go down the line, then you can keep track. And you can keep track of everything. And then if you're up here, then you can see where everything's at. And then you can go back, and then you can go back, and then you can figure out how to get there. Here you go. Let's do it. It's my office. So it'll only take me 6 hours and 7 minutes to get to that appointment. It is what it is. It's awesome. It's outstanding. Now you know. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know what else I can show you. Like, okay, so you leave, right? And you're going through this neighborhood. And you look. Oh. That's my cousin. All right, now check this out. See this roof? I put go for no. Has to be ready. Has to be ready. Right? But look at this infinite ocean of roofs. Look at that. There's 8 billion of them. Think about the possibility there. You know? There you have it. So underneath this video, there's a link, right? AmericanRoofExpert.com/module, whatever. Okay. Now here's the thing. That training that I just took you through is on that module, but there's probably 15 other videos, 8 other videos, 12 other videos, who knows. But I go through so much different stuff, like how to set up your pins on Spotio. There's 9 modules. I think I'm probably going to add a little bit more. And it's free. I just built this training for free. And I want to make a mark. I want to show people, and that way they're not lost. I heard this the other day. 10% of men that are in between the ages of 25 and like 38 are out of the job market. Think about that. They're sitting at home because they're mad at the system. They're mad at and like, we could be outside, man. We could jump in trucks and cars and we could go outside in this beautiful world and we can hunt like wolves. And we can get as much as we can possibly, like, we have the chance, we have the opportunity to be able to go out and get as much money as we want, whenever we want, And so many guys, they just don't know. And to me, that's a problem. That is a epidemic, They're just not even trying. Let's go play some video games, Crazy. Click the link underneath and let's go on an adventure together, It's snowing outside. You know what I want to do? I'm going to get done with this and then I'm going to go on a long hike with my dog. It's about that much snow. I'm just going to get lost. Can't get lost because I always know the mountains are always that way, which means that's west. Can't get lost. It's impossible to get lost. Yeah. And that's another cool thing about Colorado is we get hail and I think I looked it up the other day. It's 55 inches of snow a year. That's unbelievable. And I've only been here for 5 months. I don't even know what cold's like yet, but they make fun of me because I'm from Atlanta, and the snow here is not like Atlanta's like, the whole city shuts down. I remember like 2 or 3 years ago, um, it was gridlock everywhere, all around 285. It was horrible, all because of a little tiny bit of snow. But the snow becomes ice, and it's a different cold because it's wet cold and it's disgusting and it hurts your hands. Where here you just go outside. It's awesome, beautiful, wonderful, like Spotio.